You know, everybody buys insurance. But of all the things that can harm or slow down your business, insurance only responds to a few. That's what drove us to create 3byFive.
A traditional insurance broker will start with one solution in mind: insurance. It's what they sell. And they will look to utilize this one tool to provide protection against one form of risk, which is hazard. 3byFive isn't an insurance product. It's a process that looks beyond one solution and one risk to look at all three forms of risk and the 5 proven strategies of risk management. We then turn the traditional model on its head. We start the process by identifying and assessing the risks that are facing your business. Within each category, there are hundreds of emerging risks that can slow your business and restrict its growth.
Our process is to identify, assess, and quantify the risks that are critical to your business. We take that information and develop a customized plan to help you effectively manage those risks and drive success in your organization. Our world is changing faster than it ever has before. New risks are emerging all the time. Of the top risks identified by Lloyd's of London, 5 to 10 years ago, those risks didn't even exist. I believe for businesses that are trying to thrive and outpace the competition, the traditional approach isn't good enough anymore.
There are 3 forms of risk to any organization, and there are 5 proven strategies to deal with these risks. So, if you're a business owner or you run an organization, it's pretty easy to imagine how having all of these strategies available to you is far more powerful than having only one. Let's say your business has a fire. Your insurance policy will respond to this, which is great. But if you had been provided with mitigation and prevention strategies, you could have prevented the fire from occurring in the first place. You also wouldn't need to temporarily close your doors and watch your insurance premiums go up. Would you consider retention of key employees a vital part of running your business? How often have you even had a discussion with your insurance broker about a risk that can't be insured? This is why 3byFive is a stronger solution. Our assessment would be able to identify not only the risk, but also analyze that risk so we can quantify the impact it could have in your business. We could still provide alternative strategies to ensure the impact of a risk like this would be minimal. Of the 3 types of risk, the one that could have the most significant impact on your business is strategic risk. For many privately held organizations, one of the biggest risks they face is lack of succession or perpetuation. How will you as a business owner be able to leave and take the value you have in the organization without it shutting down in the process? This is what makes 3byFive different. We look at all risks to your business and not just what can be insured. Ultimately, our goal is to help drive the success of your organization.
We spent the last few years developing this process, refining it, and training our dedicated team of risk advisors so they have a deep understanding of the 3 areas of risk. Our purpose is to improve the lives of our clients, team, and community. The 3byFive process allows us to improve the lives of business owners by helping them reach their goals. Traditional approach of one risk and one solution, I don't think it's good enough anymore for most business owners. It's too narrow in its thinking. We're looking at the bigger picture, and that's why we've created 3byFive.